Hey everybody, I have my How to Kelly Kit with Style wrap-up video for you. So if you watched when I went through the kit for February, I did say that I wanted to complete 3 layouts for sure, and that was the only goal that I really had set for myself, and I completed 3 layouts. So that makes me happy. I have videos for all 3. This one features a file from Cut to You. This one features the Stampin' Up! Pattern paper and a sketch from Allison Davis, and there's a video for this one. And I also did this one, which was for a challenge for Miranda's crops. She's hosting monthly crops in her Facebook group, and I will be hosting one when I can. So I hosted the sketch challenge, and this was the video and project I created. So I did get my 3 12x12 layouts done. I did not get my Traveler's Notebook spreads done that I wanted to. I do have the photos. They are printed. I have my book, my Traveler's Notebook, my first one for 2023. So, and I think that what I am going to do, I have my kit, it's all still here. There is still plenty of fun things to go ahead and play with. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to keep it together for now. I am going out of town twice during March, so I'm not going to pull a kit together for March. March's kit theme is books, which I was so excited about, and I so wanted to do, but I just know I'm not going to have the time, and I want to be able to go and take my trips without being stressed about what I did or didn't get done before I left. I will be back in April with the kit, and the kit theme for April is floral, which that will be fabulous and beautiful. I'm going to keep that kit together for now, simply because when I go to visit my cousin, one of my trips is in March, and my cousin is also a scrapbooker, and my aunt is a card maker, and one of my very best childhood friends is a card maker, and we are going to get together and craft a whole bunch of days while I'm there. So I'm going to leave that kit together, and then I'm going to grab my Traveler's Notebook photos for February and take my kit with me. I'm only taking a few things with me, but that kit's together. It's all there. Easy peasy. I'm going to go ahead and take that with me and see what I can do with it. So yeah, I'm also taking with me some of my heritage layouts that still need journaling, because that's a nice, easy thing that I can do while I'm there, and it doesn't make me feel like I have to film it. So that's kind of my plan. So yeah, I am going to post my list of videos and the dates that I'm pretty sure they will be going live. But you will find there will be a little bit less content on my channel during the month of March, which means if you have been looking at joining my YouTube Perks membership, but I know my channel is full. I know there is tons of content here, and sometimes it can be overwhelming, the idea of paying for more content. But if you want to pay for a month of content and take a class during the month of March, this will be a good time to do it, because I will have lots of blocks of open days on my channel where there will not be any content during March. And there are a lot of things I won't be doing. I won't be doing a How to Kelly Kit with Style. I won't be doing a cherry box in March. So yeah, that's a great way to help me to support my channel and to take a class and have a little bit of new content. And you can always find that in the description box below. But I'm super happy with my layouts. They turned out absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to go ahead and create a floral kit for April. And I will talk to you again soon, everyone. Bye.